what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you a quick video about the brake pedal spring on my aftermarket Rearsets. When I installed it, I didn't show it how I installed it because installing the spring took me a while. It was like 2 hours because taking off the old spring and trying to put the new one in, it took me a while. So I'll show you how I have it now. I had a couple of people asking me how I installed it, so I'm going to do a quick video and show you how it looks like right now. It works, a little bit janky, but yeah guys, let me show you. So when I installed this aftermarket one, the tough part about this was this piece right here. I'll show you some close-ups, but because of this spring, that's for the actual brake light. The spring back here, you can somewhat see how I installed it. It's literally one on top of the other. So here's the stock one right on top of it, and right below it is the aftermarket one. So what I did, because the stock one is already on the brake light switch, I just looped the aftermarket spring right there on top of the stock one. So it's literally right on top of that right there. And let me show you. So right now, this one, it's not installed to anything. So that one is literally just hanging around because it's not installed to anything. You can see it moving. But the other one, it is installed to the switch and onto the brake pedal on the other side of this. So when I use the brake, the light turns on. So you can somewhat see where the spring is going to connect to that bolt right there, that long bolt. Just that one will be this one right here. So that spring is connected on top of the stock spring, with the hooked onto it to the center on top. But yeah guys, so that's how it looks like right now. I'm gonna get out of the shadow, but yeah, you saw the clips, how it looks like. It's literally, I just looped the aftermarket one on top of the stock one because of that little sensor spring where it attaches to. It's just way too hard, and it took me 2 hours because when I took off the stock spring, the little knob coming out of it went back into the sensor and I couldn't get it out. It took me a while to kind of fish fish it out of there and bring it back down. So all right guys, so like I showed you the rear set, how it looks like. The spring, it was hard to take off. When I did take it off, the sensor little knob where it connects to went inside, so it took me a while to take it out of that little holder. So when I did, I couldn't get into the, or I should say, I couldn't use the aftermarket spring onto the sensor, because when I took it out of the holder, the stock spring just went in there really quick. So I was like, I'm just gonna leave the stock spring on there and put the aftermarket one on top, and just kind of bolt it onto the bottom of the rear set with that bolt that you saw. But other than that, if you guys want to see anything else or any more like actual the rear set off and showing you how it looks like from the back, I was gonna do it today, but it's like I need to find the tools, the Loctite, and my torque wrench to torque it back to spec. And right now I don't have too much time. I'm just literally right after work and the sun is setting, so it'll take me a while to take it off, show you guys, and put it back on. But hey guys, if you want to see that, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want to see it more thoroughly, like taking off from the bike and showing you in the back of it. But for right now, it should be good. It should be okay. A quick video showing you how it looks like. And like I said, if you like this kind of content, DIYs, let me know. Subscribe. I got more projects coming up. Like you saw the rear tire hugger, I installed that already, so I'll post it up on one of these corners. And I got more stuff coming up, so stay tuned. All right guys, I'm gonna head inside and get some work done. All right guys, peace.